Big Spring is full of grand buildings. Sadly, many of them are just echoes of oil booms past. However, there is one that stands tall, a literal beacon of hope for all of West Texas. It's Hotel Settles, and inside its ornate lobby is a reminder of glory days past and a look forward to a world of endless possibilities. You might not believe me, but not too long ago, this hotel lobby looked like a war zone. That is until Big Spring native Brent Ryan decided to help it rise from the ashes.
Welcome to Hotel Settles.
Oh man, it is just so stunning walking into this lobby.
Why don't we grab a seat and I'll tell you all about it.
I love that idea.
Awesome.
Cheers.
You know, when I was growing up, this was kind of a monument to disaster. It had been opened in 1930.
Okay.
It was the first oil boom hotel. It had a $500,000 purchase price with about $200,000 of furniture and fixtures, which is an exorbitant sum of money back in those days.
It had a good run, hosting dignitaries like President Herbert Hoover and celebrities like Lawrence Welk and even Elvis.
The hotel had many, many different owners, but we didn't have too many that invested in it. So it was on a slow decline.
And in the 1980s, it was officially closed. However, Brent remembered walking into the lobby with his grandfather as a young boy. And when the city sought his advice about renovating downtown, well, he had a suggestion.
Why not do the hotel? Yeah. And they're like, Brent, nobody can do the hotel. That's crazy.
The craziest money pit.
Well, that's just exactly the wrong thing to say to me.
$31 million later, and the comeback was complete.
You step in here, you really are seeing a hotel built in the 30s in its glory days. You've done that for us.
You are going back in time
Yeah.
when you step into the lobby.
There's
here.
no doubt about
and,
that.
And that's one of the most rewarding things for me personally. It's become a destination.
Yeah.
This project is now the poster child for historic preservation in the country. Because when a grand ballroom can go from this to this, well, you know they're doing something right.
You might ask, okay, how did you pick this fantastic pea green color?
Sure.
We actually had consultants that came out and scraped away all the layers of the paint. This was the original color when it opened in 1930.
Okay.
Brent and his team had to painstakingly recreate all the plaster, all the fixtures, and the same work went into many of the rooms.
We preserved one floor of the hotel just like it was in 1930.
Okay.
So much smaller rooms
Yeah.
than the rest of the hotel, very historic.
If you walked into a nice hotel room nowadays, and this is how big it was, you think, wow, they put me in the closet.
That's right. But I'll tell you, it was grand in its day.
It even had indoor plumbing. But because our tastes are a little bougier these days, Brent blew out walls on other floors, turning the hotel's original 150 rooms into just 65. But Brent saved his best work for the top.
Welcome to the penthouse of the Hotel Settles. My wife designed this so that when we're in residence, all of the 3 suites connect together.
So you get the
we
whole
get
floor?
The whole floor. It is the most impressive and, by the way, most expensive penthouse suite anywhere in all of West Texas.
Here we go. We got 2 beds in here. Chase Lounge, I can put one of my kids on that. We have another bedroom here. Are we in Labyrinth? What? There's another living room? I'm not sure we're ever gonna get out of this place. Which way did I turn? Did we turn that way? Oh yeah, of course, another bedroom back here. Brent, y'all outdid yourself with this.
You haven't seen the crown jewel yet.
Oh.
We have the T for 2 tub. You'll see TVs on both sides of the tub.
I've been to some hotels, you know, in some of the big fancy cities of Texas.
Yeah.
None of them rival this.
But wait, there's more! Above us.
There's a 15th floor. It's the bonus floor. It's a bespoke request.
Okay. Are you sure you want to put
Yes.
this on TV? You know this is a TV show.
Well, that'd be great because it does command a pretty high rate.
Oh, okay. You wouldn't mind it if
Yeah,
somebody
no,
was-
no,
yeah.
it'd be great.
If your living room needs a living room, this is your floor. But wait, there's more.
When I started this project, I had some self-doubts. When I saw this, it was game over.
Wow. I didn't even know you could come up here.
This is our version of the Empire State Building for Big Spring, Texas. I lived here my whole life. I'd never seen this view, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, we have to restore this.
Now you have a way to share it with other people.
That's right. And of course, now if you're here at dusk,
Yeah.
it glows red because of the sign above us.
Oh.
When we opened and we turned it on, you could hear cars honking all over town because people saw it for the first time in decades, and many of those people saw it for the first time ever.
That's a big shining beacon of hope back to the
That's
city of
right.
Big Spring, right? Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you, Chet. So, how about we get something to eat?
Perfect.
All right.
From the first day it opened, Hotel Settles had a restaurant in its lobby to feed its guests and any travelers passing by on the Bankhead Highway. And as with everything here, the team has certainly upped the ante on quality. Fire-grilled steaks, roasted salmon, they make a great chicken fried. But as per usual, I'm going for something a little different. It's a New York strip, crusted with jack cheese, topped with a fried egg and chimichurri.
Here we go, my friends. This might be the first time I have ever had an egg on a steak. I've had steak and eggs, but I feel like that's a different thing. Oh, that's good. Not only is it like a perfectly seasoned, seared steak, but then this egg, it's just like yolky gravy. And the chimichurri adds sort of a nice little pop of herbs. And I guarantee you, this is not the kind of food they were serving in the 1930s in this building. The things they have done to bring this hotel back to life and to elevate the experience are just top notch. They could not have been done better. This is just some darn good eating right here.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.